Today, we're beyond excited to introduce the Luxor Deep. This isn't just another swimming pool, it's a spectacular lap swimming fiberglass pool designed with an athletic family in mind. Check this out. The Luxor Deep stretches a full 43.7 inches, surpassing our marathon pool. But what really sets it apart? A bold 7-10 inches deep end, perfect for your intense swimming sessions and exhilarating pool games. Now, let's move to the shallow end. Here, we've added an elegant touch, a dual set of entry steps. This space isn't only functional, it's a perfect spot to express your style. You can furnish this area with a set of handrails, either custom or standard, for both safety and aesthetic appeal. But there's more. The Luxor Deep is a stage for innovative water features and LED lighting. Imagine deck jets streaming water into your pool, backlit with LED lights for a stunning nighttime effect. The Luxor Deep is more than a pool, it's a statement. San Juan Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.